Our top story this evening, a guilty verdict came down today for the Raleigh County woman who has now been convicted in the death of her infant after being accused of rolling over on the child while drunk. Newswatch reporter Anna Saunders was there as the final verdict came in. Take a look.
On the charge of child neglect resulting in death is guilty.
Guilty on all 3 counts. Ariel Bennett is headed to prison on 1 count of child neglect resulting in death and 2 counts of gross child neglect with risk of serious injury or death. Back in November of 2015, Bennett fell asleep after drinking and rolled over on her child, suffocating her to death.
The first thing we're saying is, did she intentionally suffocate the baby? She's drunk. She clearly doesn't give a crap about her children. Well, we couldn't prove that. So we charged her with what we can beyond a reasonable doubt prove.
So it was all about proving the neglect, which includes the drinking, the poor living conditions of the home, and the mannerisms of both Bennett and her husband after their child died.
It's inconceivable. How could you have no reaction? 2 days after she smothered her baby, you saw the recordings. She's laughing, she's nonchalant, she's lying.
Keller said the lack of care shown by the parents in the trial was a compelling piece of evidence, but also mentions the other children as well, 2 of which were removed from the home and 1 removed at birth as Ariel got pregnant again after the death of their child.
It's as if babies and children are paper towels. You make them, you throw them away.
Keller went on to say that this case sends the message that being under the influence is not an excuse for harm, injury, or death of a child.
People need to understand it's not just Child Protective Services they have to worry about. It's not just their children being removed they have to worry about. It is the law. They will go to prison.
And Bennett is looking at 5 to 25 years when she is sentenced in April. Reporting in Raleigh County, I'm Anna Saunders, Newswatch.
Because Bennett's husband, Andrew, provided the alcohol for Ariel and then left her alone, he was also charged with child neglect, but he pleaded to his charge and will serve 1 to 5 years.